quick video. I'm pretty sure that some of you are looking for AI Studio and it's not showing up for you to work with. Should be right here. But you probably don't have labs turned on. So just click on settings, go down here to labs, then scroll down and find AI Studio. Now, you may not see anything over here to click on. It may look confusing to you. And if yours is like mine, that's because the background of the buttons are the same color as the buttons until you switch it. So just hover around in the area until you see this arrow turn into a hand like that, and it's going to be directly over from all of these headings over there. Then just click it, and then you'll see it. Once you do that, and then you go back, and you'll see AI Studio show up. And now you can go into it. So there you have it. Any more questions? You need anything else? Then put it in the comment below.